Introducing the PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel for Car, the perfect tool to clean those hard-to-reach spaces in your vehicle. Easily remove dust from car air vents, steering wheels, console panels, storage bins, cup holders, and more. Simply push the cleaning gel into any little cracks and watch as it carries away the dust. You can also use it on your keyboard by pressing it lightly and pulling it out slowly to remove dust. Made of eco-friendly cleaning gel with a sweet fragrance, this car cleaning kit is both effective and pleasant to use. The gel is reusable and can be used multiple times until it turns black. Store it in a cool, dry place after use. Please note that the cleaning gel should not be used on cell phone screens or computer monitors. In addition to cars, this cleaning gel is also suitable for cleaning home and office items like keyboards, printers, cell phones, and more. It can effectively remove dust from various surfaces, as long as they are water resistant. Make your cleaning routine easier with the PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel for Car. Click the link in the description to make a purchase.